This evening's special guests join us from Aldea Children and Family Services. We have Shahrukh Chishti, the Senior Director of Social Services. Also joining us is Michelle Farhat. Michelle and Shahrukh, welcome to our show. We're honored to have you here.
Thank you.
Thank you. Happy to be here.
What is your mission statement for the organization?
At Aldea, we seek to improve lives and create bright futures for the clients that we work for by providing mental health, child welfare, and support services in a manner that respects their dignity and individuality.
What are you looking for?
In describing, what we're looking for someone that can join the Aldea village and be aligned with the mission and really want to make a difference in this world.
Now, Aldea means little village, doesn't it?
It does.
That's a nice little twist on things.
It works well for us.
Yeah.
You need the right people who are going to connect with clients and be able to work with them, do therapy with them, support services, and help them heal. And that takes someone that has compassion and trust.
The number one challenge for most nonprofits is funding their organization.
It is.
So how do you go about finding donors, partnering with people or organizations? Where does your funding come from, and how do you go about raising that?
Right. So I love this question because I think a lot of people don't understand how nonprofits work and how they run, and especially in the health and human services category. So there's all kinds of nonprofits. The NFL is a nonprofit.
Yes, biggest one in the United States.
Biggest one. But health and human services, we are, our funding comes from, at least for Aldea, we do a lot of work with the counties. So a lot of government work, and so...
So are there grants available? Do you have to apply for grants, or is there a bucket that they just automatically fund you with?
Well, I don't think it's really called a grant to the counties. It's really
Contracts.
It's their
A contract.
So,
Okay.
There's an application process, and they do identify the partners in the community that they want to work with. And then one of the things that Aldea has brought is that we do specialty mental health services, and so the counties has relied on us to use that's for residents that have a higher level of psychiatric need.
Mm-hmm.
Aldea has the expertise to help with those cases. The other thing I would say is we do benefit from the Napa Valley Vintners. They have an application process and fund several organizations here in Napa Valley. The Napa Valley Community Foundation, they've also been a strong partner to us. And so putting all those things together hopefully covers all the costs of what you do. But a lot of times the contract, let's say from the county, it doesn't cover all the costs. And what I mean by that is for us to identify master degree level people, bilingual, that can afford to live in the Napa County area, it's very expensive. And the county contracts don't always cover the total cost of delivering on that. And so there's always this little bit of a gap every year that we're trying to fill through events, through grants, through donors, that type of thing, to kind of be able to cover everything from rent to needing computers or supplies, that type of thing, offering competitive benefits, that type of thing, and being able to offer an environment that's attractive to people who are highly educated, highly skilled, and have a lot of options in the Bay Area.
Aldea Children and Family Services is thrilled to be featured in the Napa Valley Give Guide through December 31st of 2017. So thank you to those of you who have already given and supported Aldea. And if you haven't supported Aldea yet, please go to the Napa Valley Give Guide website and contribute to Aldea or one of the other 44 charities for your tax-deductible donation before the end of this year. Thank you both for coming on the show. It's been an honor having you join us, Shahrukh, and it's been an honor having you as well, Michelle. And to our viewers, thank you so much for joining us this evening. Have a wonderful night and a magnificent week.